What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the magnifier in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements, and then in VN enhancements scroll down and here click on magnifier. Now tap on magnifier shortcut. So first of all, turn on this button on the top and then enable the shortcut that you want to use to turn on or off magnifier. So now to use magnifier, click on this accessibility button and here tap on magnifier. So that's how you can open the magnifier. You can drag this slider to the right side to magnify, and you can drag this slider to the left side to demagnify the screen. So you can see that's how you can use magnifier. You can also tap on this icon to turn on or off flash for magnifier, and you can tap on this icon to stop. So that's how you can use the magnifier in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.